Want to improve your trading? Today, I'll compare the best indicators to use with RSI. We'll look at MACD, moving averages, and Bollinger Bands. I'll share pros and cons and real examples. Stay tuned to find the best combo for you. Quick question: ever doubt an RSI signal? This video can help. Number 1. RSI plus MACD combo. Let's start with MACD. RSI might flash a signal, but is the move real? That's where MACD steps in. It shows you if there's real momentum behind the price. No more guessing, just cleaner setups. Pros: shows trend strength, filters false RSI signals, good in trending markets. Cons: can lag in fast markets, not great for quick reversals. Example: RSI crosses above 30, signaling buy. But MACD is still below zero and trending downward. Wait, momentum isn't strong yet. Wait for the MACD to confirm the move. Have you seen this before? MACD can help avoid premature entries. Conclusion: RSI plus MACD works well for trend traders. It filters out weak signals and helps you enter with momentum on your side. Number 2. RSI plus moving average combo. Next, we have the moving average, which shows the overall trend. Pros: shows trend direction, filters choppy RSI signals, easy for beginners. Cons: slow to react, doesn't measure momentum directly. Example: RSI is crossing above level 30, coming out of oversold, a typical buy signal. But price is still below the moving average, which indicates the overall trend is down. In this case, we ignore the RSI signal. Remember the rule: be friends with the trend. Does this scenario sound familiar? That's where the moving average protects you from false signals. Conclusion: the RSI and moving average combo works well for swing traders who follow the trend. It filters out false signals and helps you stay aligned with the market's direction. Number 3. RSI plus Bollinger Bands combo. Now, enter Bollinger Bands, a tool well known for spotting potential reversals. When combined with RSI, it can identify high-probability turning points with greater confidence. Pros: shows overbought and oversold zones, strengthens RSI reversal signals, works well in sideways markets. Cons: less reliable in strong trends, can give early signals. Example: RSI dips under 30, but that's not the entry yet. Wait until it crosses back above 30, that's your green light. Now, if price also touches the lower Bollinger Band, that's a strong combo. You've got momentum turning and price stretched, great spot for a quick trade. Conclusion: best for traders looking for fast reversals, especially in range-bound markets. This combo helps spot quick bounce opportunities with higher confidence. Final conclusion. So, which combo is best? Based on experience and popular strategies, RSI plus MACD gives balanced, clear signals. But your style matters most. Try these combos and find what fits you. Which combo do you use? Tell me in the comments. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. Don't miss the next video. Top 6 RSI combo indicators ranked. See you there.